Hi guys, you are welcome to Finance Edge with Matimayowa. Today I'll be unveiling my Icaew membership certification. So I got this certificate last week and I've not been able to open it because I wanted to have a complete video for everyone to be able to have a look at the packaging and how it's branded, especially if you intend to frame it. I intend to show you how it came from Icaew. So I received this just in this form, and it doesn't come with a frame. I had to go get another frame that matches, the kind of outlook I want it to have. So I got this frame from Professional Framing, which is a recommended framing company by Icaew. In fact, you can get any form of frame from them, ranging from your, professional certificate up to your university certificate. I was able to get mine and it got delivered to me under 4 working days. So let's look at the content of each of the package. So this is the membership certificate itself. Let's unveil it together. It comes with another information. Okay. There's nothing more here. So I think this is just to brand the certificate itself. And here is the content. Here is it. The Icaew membership the Icaew membership certificate itself. This is how it looks. It comes in this form, and it says, "You are welcome to the Institute of Chartered Accountants in England and Wales." There's another accompanying letter, a congratulatory letter that followed, which is what I'm showing you now. And also, there is a membership certificate framing that comes with it. It tells you the kind of frame that is most suitable for your certificate if you intend to frame it and keep it in your professional study room and all of that. So you can always reach out to www.proframeco.com to select any kind of frame that is best suitable for you, and that's it. So this is the certificate itself. I'm going to be putting it in a frame in a moment. Just follow me as I unveil the frame itself. So now that we are done with that, let's see what we have in the frame. So interestingly, when I was picking the frame, I picked a black and gold frame, which I feel will make the color of the certificate come out as expected. So you may want to go for another kind of frame that is most suitable to you. But for me, I chose the black and gold frame. So from here, you can literally see what the content of the frame looks like, but let me get it fully cut so we can all have a look at the content. So this is it. This is the content of the whole package, and as you can see, it has the black and the gold, and here you have with the Icaew logo. So I'll be putting my certificate in here for everyone to see how it looks like in a black and gold frame with branded Icaew logo. You can see it at the bottom here. So let's get to it. I guess most people cannot see that, so let me just show you how it looks like. So now that I have the frame here with me, I've, open the pin so I could be able to insert the certificate itself, but I'm here to do that. Let's get it open then. Now I've removed the inner layer and, I can begin to put the certificate in there. So with this now, there is an initial cover that I need to remove as well. So I'm doing that right away. Okay. So this is the main layer to support the professional look of the frame, and also the content displayed. So I took this out and I'll be replacing it with my Icaew certificate so it could fit in perfectly. Then I'll follow each of the layers one after the other. So the certificate is here. I'm going to be putting it now like this, as you can see, but I'm here to pin it at the back. So let's get to it, and from there we should be fine. Okay, trying to make sure it fits in perfectly. It goes into the, the glass itself down, so it could come out beautifully well. So now that it's perfectly laid now, I can now put the inner cover to support the layout. So I'm putting the first layer of the cover. And like I said, you can always get different color of it. I think there are about 3 to 4 different types of color that you can get on the website. But most suitably, I went for the black and gold because I know black and gold is much more colorful, given the fact that the certificate is white in nature. So I'm putting the last layer of it. As you can see how it looks here now. So this is what you get when you are done fixing it. But now that I'm here to put the final cover, which is, the last aspect of this whole unboxing, you can now have a proper look afterward. So this is the most important part of it, because if you didn't lay it well, chances that it doesn't come out as expected is very high. So before you close it, I mean the pin itself, ensure you check if your certificate comes out the way you want it. If yes, then you can go ahead to, finally close the button. And in my own case, I'm perfectly okay with this now, and I'm going to knock the entire button down so we can all have a perfect look of it. So here we are, finally Icaew perfectly framed. You can get your certificate frame from the professional framing company at www.proframeco.com. You can choose any frame either for Icaew, ACCA, or your BSc or master's degree level certificate. They print for different universities. Your universities are, very included in the platform. So you can always pick any of the suitable color that you want. And this is it, my Icaew unboxing frame. Thank you.